Hi guys, welcome back to Native Kitchen. We are here again. Today we're making another native meal. We are making native rice. Yes, we're making native rice. What we normally call palm oil rice or MTN rice. We're making it today. And here are the ingredients we'll be using for making this delicious meal. All right, here is our fresh pepper. Here is our salt. I'm going to be using this chicken spice. I have my seasoning cubes. I have my palm oil. I have this again, ewuru, Jamaican nut, okay, or you call it calabash nutmeg. I have my diced onions. I have my curry leaf. Sorry, I didn't find the one that is fresher than this, but we'll manage. It's the flavor we are looking for, so definitely we'll get it. All right, I have my granite oil. I'll be using this to fry my proteins. I have my leaf here. This vegetable leaf is my vegetable leaf, ugu leaf. Then I have my crayfish, partly blended, not completely blended. You know why? I love it that way. Okay, I have my fish. Here's my fish. I'll use this too. I have my goat meat and my beef. Over here is my beef, and here is my goat meat. Then I have my chicken. Yeah, use that too. Any of the proteins you have, you can just play along with it. Anyone. So I was trying as much as possible to bring in all the proteins I have in my fridge to make sure I make this delicious rice. All right, here is my rice. It's about 5 cups of rice. Okay. I'm going to go into washing, dicing, and doing every other thing I need to do to make this delicious meal. Native rice is here from Native Kitchen. All right, guys, let's cook. All right, guys, I'll be going into marinating my proteins. Okay, we'll put in our diced proteins, going with our salt. I'll go with my chopped onions. I'll go with my pepper, my fresh pepper. You can use dry pepper, still fine. I'll go with this chicken spice. If you want to really know the chicken spice I'm using, just ask in the comment section. I'll be right there to respond, okay? All right, going with the spice. Then going with my seasoning cubes. Then I'll stir with my spatula. Okay. I'll be keeping this for 10 minutes to marinate. Okay. All right, 10 minutes. We're back to check on our proteins. Okay, while we are keeping our meat to marinate, I'm going to blending my calabash nutmeg and washing my rice, and then we'll check back and cover this up. Okay. All right, guys, I'll be washing my rice. I'll pour in my hot water. I'm using hot water to wash this. Okay, and I'll on my tap. My spatula, I'll turn this. But if you put your hand in here, it's actually hot. So I'll do this. Okay, I think I can tolerate this temperature. I'll now wash. I'll wash this rice until this water turns white, or should I say it turns clear. Okay, wash out all the starch from the rice. We'll be doing this. Okay. And I'll filter. Alright guys, I'll be boiling my rice. So I'll put on my gas. Then I'll pour in this water. Pour in my water. Then I'll allow this to boil. When this water is boiled is when I'll pour in my rice. Okay? So I'll cover this. Alright guys, my water is boiling. Here's my water. Open that up. Then I'll pour in my washed and filtered rice. I'll pour that in. Put in my salt. Then I'll cover this. Then allow it to cook. Alright. Alright guys, here's our rice. And this is it. Okay, soft enough. I'm not going to allow this dry on its own, so I'll filter it out and drain out the remaining water under. Okay, you see, it's our rice. So it's ready now. Alright guys, we're about to check up on this. Okay, this is our protein. We're gonna filter out this water, then fry part of it. We're not frying all of it. So through with this, I'll put off my gas and filter this. Then use the granite oil to fry part of the proteins. Alright guys. Alright guys, with my dried frying pan, I'm going to pour in this oil. I'm going to fry my proteins partially. Okay, and I'll put on my gas. When the oil gets hot, we'll start frying. Okay, my oil is hot. I'm gonna pour in part of my protein, and I'll cook parts. Okay, that's what I'll be frying. Okay, this is okay. All right, get that out. All right. All right. With my pot dried up, I will now put in my red oil. In my red oil. Put in my red oil. I'll go with my onions, get part of it. I'll go with my pepper. I'll go in my crayfish, get part of it. I'll stir this. Stir this. Go with my seasoning. Then I'll pour in the protein that was not fried. Pour that in. Pour that in. Then I'll stir it. So pour in the stock. I'll stir this. At this point, you can test to know if the ingredients are okay. Okay, this is perfect for me. Okay, so I'll allow this to boil for just 2 minutes. Then I'll be back to put in my rice and every other ingredients, and then we'll go on with the cooking. Before you know it, our palm oil rice is ready. There are actually different ways to make this palm oil rice. I will do another method so you see it. But I just wanted to try something new, do it a different way. Okay, guys, let's wait for just 2 minutes. This will boil up and come back to it. This is boiling up. Stir this. Then I'll bring in my calabash nutmeg. Blended that, put that inside. Stir this. Okay. My rice. I actually made a large quantity. Alright. Then I'll stir this. Ooh. Voila. As in, as in. Okay, I'll go with my crayfish again. Many onions. I'll go with my fried protein. Go with my curry leaf, my ugu leaf, and I stir. Voila. Ooh, have you seen this? Eh? Eh? Have you seen this already? Have you seen? Eh? We'll just leave this for 2 minutes. Then our rice is ready. Hey, all right, guys, let's go into eating. That's the next step, but don't forget, subscribe to Native Kitchen, comment on our videos, like and share to your families and friends so they can try this too at home. And see you in the next step, which is eating. All right. All right, guys, it's time to eat. Look how our rice is looking. So beautiful. All right, we're gonna test this delicious meal. This is native rice. Eh? This is native rice, formerly known as MTN rice. Okay, let's go into eating our food. Let's test this. Let's see how lovely this is. Oh God, the obstacles for me. Eh? Hmm, so delicious. Hmm, hmm, so tasty. Hmm. Guys, we need to try this. You need to try this in your kitchen. Please try this and enjoy this delicious meal. Okay? And don't forget, subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share. It's very important. All right, guys. See you in our next video. We will come up with another recipe. All right. Bye.